I was going to put the truck against the lowboy. If you heard our conversation in the last video, I'll put this into parts. Unless when the movie maker wants to cooperate with me and make a video compilation, which probably won't happen. So this will be made into parts. Sorry, I'm using my phone, and I had my camera. He's going to take pictures for me, so I'll get pictures of this thing up in a minute. Pretty cool truck. It's a Peterbilt. Oversized load and everything. Pretty awesome. I love it. Here we go. The Blackhawk lowboy. Never heard of those. Never seen them. There's broom tractors down there. They milled up that road, so I'll go get video of that after this. He's gonna back up. See if he's accurate. If he can drive a semi. See how he does it here. These guys are from Indiana, so right now we've got to drive all the way to Indiana, which really sucks. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I gotta delete some pictures of my camera so he can bring it up there and take pictures of the controls and stuff for me.